putang ina niyong lahat, Chip. Papatayin ko lahat kayo, Chip. Fuck you all, Chip. Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
Mamaya sir,
Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
Babandi niya si Buhawi.
Getlo, tara.
Fuck you all. Fuck you all. Fuck you all, Chip. Fuck you all. Fuck you all.
Ayun na, binangga pa
Fuck you
ako eh.
all. Fuck the police. Fuck you all. I have so many jail cards. Fuck you.
Boss.
Let's go, Cashew.
Bobo.
Fuck the police. Fuck the police. Fuck the police.
I'll be back
Fuck
on
you all.
field.
Fuck you all. Fuck you all.
Sir.
Wala akong pake sa inyo, mga tanga. Madami akong account dito, tanga. Sa dami-dami ko. Ang dami kong account dito, tanga. Pang siyam ko lang to. Putangin na nyo mga pulis kayo, ha. Putangin na nyo.
Violations.
Passport. Pakay sa'yo, sir.
Tangina mo, yung English mo, tanga, pang-tanga-tanga ka.
Passport provide. 15 criminal violations, sir. For Buhawi. 15 criminal violations.
Yes, take him. Yeah.
15 criminal violation for Buhawi.
I have two hands.
Take him. Take him. Shit.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Listen now.
Ginawa jail it.
Tangina mo, ayusin mo English mo. Putang ina ka, ang tanga mo mag-English.
One moment, handcuff him. I'll arrest him inside, sir.
Ano yung tangina mo? English ka, putang ina ka.
Yeah, you have a body cam? You have a body cam, bro? Bro, send that to the DC, bro. So that what?
Yeah,
I
send it
that
to
what?
the-
Damn. It's a level 5, so never mind.
I have a big dick. I have a big...
Sir. Nag-leave ba? Asan? Tupuan. Okay. Okay, you got 3 hours. We're good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, others some on HP.